Hi, my name is Toby Lumber. Welcome to the iCoTech channel. In this video, we'll be talking about AI in project management. I'll be taking you through some practical applications of what that can mean and how that can actually be implemented. And of course, we'll talk about what does that mean for project managers. Spoiler alert, you're still going to need them. So why would we want to use AI in project management? Well, we know that projects fail. Research tells us 60 to 80% of projects don't actually achieve what they set out to do. And even when we do deliver to time, quality and cost, they don't necessarily deliver the value and benefit that we intended when we started the project. So we know we need to do better as a profession. So I think there are three principal areas where AI can support project teams. Firstly, the ability to automate low complexity, time-consuming tasks, such as generating notes, generating actions, creating forms from templates, or looking at lessons learned and creating a summary for new projects. And the good news, we know there are tools out there like Microsoft Copolit that can do exactly that right now. Secondly, there is ability to support project teams with more complex analysis. Examples being the ability to look at costings and look for particular errors, to undertake risk analysis and risk management, and to look at scheduling and resource management or resource allocation within each of the plans. And then thirdly, there is ability to augment those project teams with more complex tasks. For example, the ability to build a project case, a business case, the ability to look at prioritization across a portfolio, and the ability to support with decision making and actually making decisions themselves. So there's a lot of tools out there that can complete these activities. But what might you want to consider to get started? Well, first of all, as with any project, make sure you define the problem you're trying to solve. What are your objectives? So get a good scope. Secondly, consider your capabilities, both internally and externally. What people do you have within your organisation who can help? What other initiatives may be in place? And where you need external help, go and get that from the marketplace. Thirdly, there's data. Data is absolutely key to AI, as we know. So make sure you have good data and make sure it's aligned to your data strategies, both in the short term and in the longer term. Fourthly, start small. Don't try and boil the ocean, but also use AI in the early parts of the project. That's where it can deliver the biggest benefit. And finally, make sure you train your users how to use AI, how to use these tools, how to monitor and evolve your approach and strategy as you go through. Well, I think with AI picking up much of the transactional work, the role of the project manager is going to fundamentally change. First and foremost, they're going to have to know how to use the tools to get the most out of them. But more importantly, I believe it's the human qualities that the project manager brings to a project which are going to be absolutely key. For example, the ability to give purpose and meaning to a project and to motivate project team members. Secondly is the ability to do stakeholder management. We all know this is a key facet of project management now, but the ability to coach SROs and sponsors, the ability to see prepare for business change when that's needed. Thirdly is empathy, and this is something that AI cannot easily replicate. To recognise when SROs are overwhelmed or when project team members are stressed. And finally, project managers bring strategic thought and challenge to a project. I think it's going to be a long time before AI actually abandons a project. So in summary, I believe the role of a project manager is going to change, but project managers are going to be around for some time to come. So will AI replace project managers? Not a chance, but it will change the focus of their roles. So thank you for watching. I hope that's been useful. If you've got any comments or any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.